What's going on, everyone? Nelson's Crypto back at it. I hope everyone's having a great day, and I hope everyone's been buying some Caspa. So I haven't made a video in a little while. I've completely ripped apart my house. I've got the flooring back in my kitchen. I ripped out the cabinets. The cabinets are in. I've got a lot of work done, but I still have a lot of work to do. Still got to move my electrical outlet, get my hood in, get the counters in, all the toe kicks in, and the trim in, and about another 1,000 square feet of flooring plus tile. Anyway, let's talk about Kaspa. So, Kaspa has formed this very nice cup here. Came up, it broke highs, and it stopped out just around five and a tenth pennies. So, and then it came down nicely, and it's been trading in this nice little channel downward, but it's really consolidating around 4 cents, which I find extremely bullish. I do think if we see a breakout above this trend line here, that we could see a move up to 6 or 7 cents. This is a very big pattern that a lot of people are going to pay attention to. A lot of traders are going to notice. But who knows? It could break down as well. Either way, I feel like around 4 cents is a great buy. I feel like this is a great time to accumulate. So I hope everyone is buying some Kaspa. As well, the network hash rate has gone through the roof with the Asic miners. July and August, we saw a lot of Ice River KS zeros and ones come online, and that has shot the hash rate through the roof. Bitmain as well has released and shipped their miners, so I'm sure we're probably seeing some of those coming online now as well. Not be so shocked to see this go to 20 or 30 petahash by the end of September, probably even higher than that. I'm not completely sure on the math with all the ASIC miners coming out. I don't find this extremely bearish at all. I actually find this extremely bullish. And I'll explain that a little bit. So, Jim here says miners and traders alike have varying strategies and time preferences. Some miners may sell early to cover expenses, while others have a long term time horizon and high conviction and don't choose to sell immediately to try and cover costs. So completely. So, GPU miners, ASIC miners, just because they bought the equipment and they can make a profit doesn't mean they're going to sell right away. Honestly, your best bet is to always buy or to mine and hold if you can. That's always going to be the best for your ROI. Now there is miners out there like Son of a Tech who their thought process is go ahead and buy equipment, mine with it, you pay your electricity, whatever profit you have, you stick in Bitcoin, and then from there, when you can, you buy another piece of equipment. Rinse, repeat. You just mine, pay electricity, buy equipment. Personally, I am in the boat of mining and holding, especially after the bear market. I've completely learned that if you just hold as much as you can and foot that electric bill, you will see the most profit. And I think a lot of these miners and people that end up buying these ASICs also understand that. And just because there's more ASICs coming online doesn't mean there's more Caspa being minted every day. It really doesn't mean anything. There's the same amount of Caspa being minted every single day. And it goes down every month with their emission schedule as well. So while there's more miners coming online, there's actually less Caspa to go around every single month because the block rewards get reduced. And like technical investing says here, my first Caspa mining reward was 1,219 Caspa. That was worth $2.43 then. After electric, I lost money every day, but continued mining due to conviction. Conviction is why I 50x'd my profits. In less than a year, conviction will keep you going when dollar signs cannot. And he's completely right. And I think a lot of these investors and miners realize that buying, holding, mining, holding, you're always going to see the best profits. Also, one of the other things I really like is that the chance of Caspa getting attacked has gone through the roof. So the cost for a 1 hour attack is right around $26,000 now. that is literally third to only Litecoin and, of course, Bitcoin. So that just goes to show that Kaspa has an extremely secure network. It would take an extreme amount of cash to cause that attack, and that's only a 1 hour attack, right? That's not sustainable. That's not easy for anyone to do. And the more and more ASICs that come out and come online, the harder it's going to be able to attack the network. ASICs are also bullish, in my opinion, for scalability and security of the network as a whole. Having transactions go through, because as a GPU miner myself, I do jump around from network to network depending on what's most profitable, or if I want to spec mine something that hasn't hit exchanges before. Yeah, sure, I'll do that, but I'm not stuck to just Caspa like ASIC miners are. So I can jump around and mine a coin that's more profitable. And then, honestly, I've been mining and just been swapping into Caspa. So I am buying the coin, so it does help there. But I'm no longer supporting the network when I'm jumping around like that. Now, ASIC miners just don't have the possibility to jump around networks. They're stuck on Caspa. They have to mine Caspa. It's either support Caspa, mine Caspa, provide network security for Caspa, or you turn off. There's no other alternative. I don't think people are going to be turning off. Even the KS zeros, which a lot of people think will not be very profitable for very much longer, they're only 65 watts. I think they'll be profitable pretty much forever. Even if they're not, I believe guys will solo mine on them at 65 watts. I mean, that's so little wattage. I don't see why people wouldn't use that at all. But to each their own. All right, guys. Well, I hope you are paying attention. I hope you noticed the cup and handle. It's looking really good. And I hope you guys are accumulating. Let me know what you guys are doing. If you're buying, hopefully you didn't FOMO in and then get shaken out. Even if you bought at 5 cents, I still think that's an awesome buy. All right, guys, please like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time.